Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bento account in 2026. If you're new to Bento and want to start using its features, this guide will walk you through the account creation process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Bento website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign Up or Get Started button to begin creating your account. Next, choose your preferred sign-up method. Depending on the available options, you can register using your email address or continue with a supported account such as Google. Now enter the required information, including your name, email address, and a strong password if you're registering with email. Double-check everything before continuing. Next, click Create Account or Continue. Bento may send a verification email to confirm your email address. Open your inbox, find the verification message, and click the confirmation link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, sign in using your new credentials. You may be asked to complete a short setup by selecting your preferences or entering a few basic details. Now take a few minutes to explore the dashboard and become familiar with the available tools and settings. This will help you get started more quickly. Finally, review your account settings and update your profile information if needed. Your Bento account is now ready to use, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Bento account step by step, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.